Hello and welcome to Greg's Court. Franchise milestones Luka Doncic may reach this season. Luka Doncic is only in his fourth season with the Dallas Mavericks, but he's already stamping his name in the record books. If he keeps up his current pace, it won't be long before he owns almost every significant statistical record for the franchise. 3-pointers. Dirk Nowitzki is the career leader in 3-pointers made for the Mavericks. 1,982 3-pointers made. Jason Terry is a distant second with 1,140. Doncic is currently 9th with 531. That's in just 3 seasons. He hit 192 shots from behind the arc last year. If he hits around that number this season, he'll move into at least 6th place all-time in Mavericks history. He'd pass Steve Nash, JJ Barea and Wesley Matthews along the way. Assists. Harper leads the Mavericks with 5,111 career assists. Doncic currently sits at 12th all-time with 1,534. He's accumulated 500 plus assists the last 2 seasons, so he'll probably get close to that this year as well. This would push him past Devin Harris into 11th. It's unlikely he'll get past that next season, as Mark Acquire sits at the 9th with 2,163. Within the next couple of years, however, he'll likely value into the top 5 as several former Mavericks are bunched between 2,100 and 3,000 assists. Points. Nowitzki leads the Mavericks in all-time scoring, duh, and Doncic has a long way to go even crack the top 5 in scoring for Dallas. But he should make a huge dent in the scoring record books this season. He's currently 15th in scoring with 5,115 career points. Doncic has averaged around 1,700 points per year since he entered the NBA. If he puts up similar numbers this season, he'll vault to 8th all-time in scoring for the Mavericks. He'll pass legends like Jason Kidd, JJ Barea, Jim Jackson, Steve Nash, Jay Vincent, Josh Howard, Sam Perkins and Brad Davis, all in just 4 seasons. From there, it's just a couple of seasons before Doncic moves into the top 3 in all-time points for Dallas. It's incredible and just an indicator of how he'll dominate the franchise record books if he stays healthy. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye from Greg's Court.